Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can link your Instagram on your TikTok. Since this helps you for fans to reach you on directly. So let's simply start by opening TikTok. And when TikTok is open, you can see that we are our home section. So let's simply go on the menu profile section. So after that, just tap on this edit profile and you can see that we have the editing profile, and now this is where we're going to add your Instagram. So let's simply start by sliding down on Instagram and then come up, tap on this part, and now you can see you have been directed to the Instagram login part. So simply come and then log in, and now after that you can see that you have been given final permission to ask you if you really sure you would like the grand total access to your TikTok. So then simply click on allow, and now you can see we have TikTok linked to our Instagram. So if you go back to the profile, you can see you have Instagram link section added. So simply come and click on that. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.